In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a live stream using StreamYard. There are lots of different ways you can stream live on YouTube, but my preference is StreamYard, and I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to set this up. So the first thing that you want to do is use the link in the description below to get your StreamYard account, and then you're going to connect your different platforms. You can stream on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I'll show you all the different destinations right here. LinkedIn. All you do is click add a destination, and then you're going to choose that destination and sign in to the account that you want to stream on. Now, the cool thing about StreamYard is you can stream on YouTube and Facebook at the same time. You'll just choose multiple destinations. Once you've added in your destination, the next thing that you're going to do is actually create a live stream or a recording. Now, you'll come into the home section and you'll see you'll have live stream, recording, or on-air webinar. These are all great options, and I'm going to walk you through a couple different steps and why you would use each one of these. So first, let's go through the live stream option. First, you're going to click create a live stream, and it's going to pull up your studio options, and you're going to choose the different destinations. Let's say we're going to do these 3 destinations. I'm actually just going to choose YouTube for this one, but as you can see, you can choose multiples. You're going to add your title, your description. So how to use StreamYard to stream on YouTube. All right, and then this is where you can add your links, all of the different things that you want, and then you can choose your orientation. Now, if you're gonna go live, just know that your live stream, if you choose the landscape and the shorts view, your portrait view, you're actually going to be live streaming 2 streams at once. And so for this one, I just want to do landscape. We're going to make it public, and then you can choose a category if you want, or you don't have to. If you want to schedule this live stream for later, which I highly recommend if you're going to live stream, you're going to click schedule for later, put it in, and you can actually upload a thumbnail that matches your brand. Love this option. Once you do that, you're going to click create a live stream, and it will show up right here. Now, the next part is actually walking you through the live stream. So we're going to enter the studio, and I always recommend getting into the studio at least 15 minutes before you go live, just so you have that time. And you can change your display name right here. We're going to enter the studio. Now, notice the studio is black. There's nobody inside the actual feed. And this is a little different than just going live on YouTube platform. You can actually add in and invite different people to be part of your live stream. So we're going to add me into the stage. Hi, everybody. You can see me in 2 places. And then I also can click this button if I want to share my slides, if I want to play a video file, an image file, or if I want to invite a guest. I can just copy this and email it to them. They're going to actually pop up in here as a second stream, and you're just going to add them into the stream. There's different layouts that you can do with that. It's super simple. Now, if you're going to share your screen or you're going to add somebody in, they're going to sit down here just like this. I paused for just a moment and I shared my screen to my calculator. I can add that into the screen right there, and I can remove it just like that. Or I can come down here and switch back and forth based off of how I want the layout to be. Maybe I want myself up in the top. Now, I can also remove myself or remove that here and just add it in down there, and I can do multiples. So if I have another person that's live streaming with me or a couple, and I put them into the live stream, and then I want to share my screen, I can do all of that through StreamYard. I love, love, love this program. Now you can also set intro slides to the video. You can create a new scene. I wanted to take you over to this side though, because I think this is a very valuable thing to be using with StreamYard. So we can change out some of our banners. So I actually host the Influencers Bootcamp. You can see I've got this is called a banner, and there's lots of different things that you can do. You can actually show it as a ticker. So right here, and see how that's just scrolling across the bottom. You can actually change the different styles. So let's just say I wanted to edit this one. So we're going to edit this, and I'm going to change up. Actually, I'm going to come into style, and I want the color to be this color, and we're going to do that banner. So to change it out, I'm just going to click on the different presets. So for instance, if I just wanted to do a circle, I could come in here, and let's say purple wasn't my brand color, but as you know, pink is. I can just grab that pink, and it will change everything across the board. Along with our banners that we're putting in here, we can add those in once we've changed the colors. In the media, let's see, in the styles. So up here at the top, you'll go through and you'll just grab your color, and then that will change it across the board. Now you also, let's go into styles right here and see how I have show headlines. You can actually put founder of Sommers School, and then that will actually pop up when we do a display name. Let's go up to our banners, and we're going to take that one off. We're going to change this one, and we're going to show our displayed name. So I see how it says Mandy Sommers, founder of Sommers School. So that's another really cool option. You also can add in some media assets. You can put overlays so that there's like a watermark on there, and I'm actually going to change this out really quick to come back to here. So we're full screen. Awesome. There we go. You can put a background. You can do a QR code, which is really awesome. Let's just say register for the Influencers Bootcamp, and then I'm going to put that right in here. The Influencers Bootcamp.com. Create. And now it's going to pop up. Let's see, we're going to generate, we're going to show, and you can see right here, it's right up at the top. So they can scan that and register for the Influencers Bootcamp. Oh, what if I put myself right there? That's good. I'm actually having to use two programs to show you how to use StreamYard, because I can't screen record my StreamYard from StreamYard. The other thing is whatever platforms you're streaming from, you'll actually see the comments here. So you can actually post a comment and reply there. You can also have your notes, your teleprompter right here. And you can add people into the stage just like we could down here so that they can jump in. There's a private chat, lots of different things that you can do when you're going live. And once you have it all set and you're ready to go, you're just going to click go live, and you'll it will count down for you and you'll go live. So that is how to stream using StreamYard. Like I said, you can do multiple platforms. All right, now I'm going to go back and I want to show you how to record, because I actually use StreamYard to record a ton. This is actually where I do a lot of my recording for my YouTube channel. So we're going to put myself right over here. What you do is just like doing the live stream, you're going to hit record or recording. We're going to put how to use StreamYard. And then notice that you can say record audio only, maybe you're podcasting, or you can do audio and video. I would recommend setting up a reusable studio, but we're going to click create a recording. It's going to look just like it did before. And we're going to enter the studio. So enter, and same thing, except this time we're just recording. We're not live streaming. And the great thing about this is once you're done recording, you can then go in and edit. So it's got all the same features. So let me just take you back out here. In the library section, you'll see let's see, we're going to do this one right here. Hello and welcome to Summer School. My name is Mandy, so you don't have to listen to me twice. But what I love about this is we can actually go in and edit these clips down. Let's just choose right here. Mandy Sommers. Oh, sorry about that. I had to scroll up. I'm like, where's the edit button? It's right here, edit and repurpose. And it's going to ask you if you want to repurpose this for Reels or if you want to repurpose for video. And then you can go through and edit it right here in this platform. This is one reason why I love StreamYard. Literally, I can record, download, upload, and I'm good to go. I can go straight into a live stream from here. It's absolutely amazing. So if you are ready to start streaming, go ahead and follow the link below. I am an affiliate with StreamYard, and I would love to welcome you into the StreamYard community. If you've got any questions, go ahead and post them in the comments below. I would love to answer them for you. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video where I'm teaching you all the different things tech-wise that have to do with growing a YouTube channel and having a very successful online business. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.